Top 3 Corsair Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. If you want to get your hands on a gaming keyboard that is of the finest quality, then you should make sure that you check out this keyboard by Corsair. It offers a great design and fantastic features with a price tag that is not going to make you run for cover. When people are looking for a gaming keyboard, they want one that will deliver a high performance that will last a long time, and Corsair is certainly one of the leaders in the field. In this video we will talk about the different models, what they offer and which one to choose. Before we get started with the video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out. See which is your budget range. Number 1. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is a top-of-the-line gaming keyboard that offers a variety of features to help you take your gaming to the next level. The keyboard has a backlit RGB LED that can be customized to suit your gaming needs, and the Platinum XT also comes with a detachable wrist rest for added comfort. The keyboard has a fast response time and a durable design that can withstand intense gaming sessions. The Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT is a great choice for serious gamers who want a high-quality gaming keyboard that can help them take their gaming to the next level. Why you picked it? Perky RGB backlighting and a 19-zone light edge across the top of the keyboard delivers dynamic and vibrant lighting effects with near-limitless customization, tuned for low noise operation even at full load, MTBF hours. Gain an in-game advantage with 6 dedicated macro keys fully programmable for complex macros. Key remaps are swapped to the included S-key keycaps and program special streaming commands through Elgato Stream Deck software. Cherry MX Speed RGB Silver Mechanical Key Switches provide ultra-fast 1.2mm actuation and proven reliability with 100 million keystrokes. A detachable soft textured cushion leatherette palm rest offers the plush comfort to breeze through marathon gaming sessions. Number 2. Corsair K70 Pro Mini Wireless RGB 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Corsair K70 Pro Mini Wireless RGB 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is an awesome keyboard, and Corsair is pretty much the only name in gaming keyboards. They have an excellent reputation, and they have a wide range of products, and it is a wireless mechanical gaming keyboard that is built for extremely fast and fluid gaming. The Mini is their newest keyboard, and it is pretty cool. The keyboard comes with 18 G keys that provide a myriad of functions and can be programmed using the easy-to-use Corsair Utility Engine software. It is a wireless keyboard with a full-size feel and mechanical switches, and it has a range of 100 feet. With the switches being mechanical, the keyboard is super responsive and the feel is pretty good. This means you can leave your whole desktop setup where it is and still play your most exciting games from anywhere in your room. Very interesting that the keyboard has Cherry MX silent switches, which are 10% quieter than the Cherry MX red switch and have the same actuation force of 45 grams. Why you picked it? Make it yours. A high-performance wireless gaming keyboard in a compact 60% form factor that's big on customization, with swappable MX switches and a 360 degrees RGB light edge. 3 ways to connect: powerful wireless connectivity with hyperfast, sub-1 millisecond slipstream wireless, low latency Bluetooth, or USB. Wired with Corsair Axon 8000Hz hyperpolling. Customized with swappable Cherry MX Speed key switches. Equipped with fast 100 million keystroke Cherry MX Speed key switches with a modular design, easily replaceable with any combination of MX-compatible 3-pin switches to fine-tune your key switch layout and play your way. 60% form factor and aluminum frame. A compact mini form factor easily fits into even the tightest spaces at home or on the go in a durable aluminum frame, long battery life with per-key RGB and 360 degrees light edge. Enjoy up to 32 hours of wireless battery life with bright RGB backlighting and a radiant 360 degrees light edge, or go the distance with up to 200 hours with backlighting off. Number 3. Corsair K70 RGB Pro Wired Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. If you are looking for a high-performing and high-quality keyboard that's also pretty stylish, then the Corsair K70 RGB Pro Wired Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is the one you want. It's a great keyboard that comes with a host of features to make your gaming experience more efficient and more fun. Let's take a closer look at what the Corsair K70 RGB Pro can do. The Corsair K70 RGB Pro Wired Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is a mechanical keyboard with unique features. Built with a sturdy anodized aluminum frame that encloses 100% Cherry MX RGB key switches, this keyboard will withstand a lifetime of typing. This keyboard comes with an aircraft-grade anodized brushed aluminum finish and has a USB pass-through port. Create online content that helps people. The most effective and least expensive way to get people to notice you is to provide helpful information in your field. Why you picked it? The legend continues. The K70 RGB Pro retains the iconic elements of the award-winning K70 RGB with a durable aluminum frame, Cherry MX mechanical key switches, and per-key RGB backlighting. Powered by Corsair Axon hyper-processing technology, enables a new level of K70 performance, processing and transmitting your inputs up to 8x faster than conventional gaming keyboards. 100% Cherry MX RGB red mechanical key switches have a linear travel with a silky smooth key press that's ideal for performance gamers, and are guaranteed for 100 million keystrokes. Polycarbonate keycaps with standard bottom row. Durable polycarbonate plastic keycaps with a standard bottom row layout that supports custom keycap sets. Switch on the competition. Flip the tournament switch to focus on winning those crucial games, automatically locking to distraction-free static backlighting and disabling accidental macro activations. We hope you enjoyed our article on the top 3 Corsair mechanical gaming keyboard. With this knowledge, we know that you can make the most of your gaming experience with ease on projects. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get new awesome videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.